competitions, and this week we are celebrating National Eye Health Week. Now normally I would be coming into your lovely schools to come and see you all and talk about the importance of looking after our eyes, but unfortunately because of the naughty germs I'm not allowed to come into your school in person. So I thought I would send a little recording to you all so that we can still celebrate together and we can still think about the importance of our eyes, but also you can get a sneak peek of us here at Eye Designs and what it's all like. So as well, because of the naughty germs, I have to wear one of these now to keep everybody safe when they come and visit us. Okay, so I think we should meet some of our friends here at Eye Designs, so let's go have a see. Over here is our lovely Paul and Karen at our reception desk. Hi guys.
Hello everyone. Hey. And children, when you've had your eye test, don't forget to ask for your bag of goodies and one of your best stickers, which I'm wearing now.
Beautifully modelled. And then as we come across, this is the rest of the shop here with all our lovely glasses for the grown-ups, and then over here is our test room where we do the eye tests. So we're going to have a little look in there. So here we are outside our test room, and today is our optician Zach who is doing our eye test. So we'll just have a seat in here and go and meet Zach. So this is our test room. Hello Zach.
Hi everybody.
So this is Zach, and look who is there, our cheeky Mesmerise the monkey. It looks like he is going to show us what it's like to have an eye test. So he's in the big important chair there with the special funny glasses, which I think you've all seen before. I think I've brought those into school a few times. So as you can see at the moment, Zach is wearing another special mask. And then he has his other mask over the top to protect us whilst he's doing the eye test. So we're just going to take a seat out of the way, and he's going to test. The lights go out. Ooh. He's going to test Mesmerise's eyes for us. So this is what happens.
You can look straight ahead towards the pictures for me. Straight ahead. I'm going to shine this special light in your eye. Very good. Go over to your other eye. Perfect. Okay. Now you should be able to see. Just need you to read down the chart to see the pictures.
More pictures. Letters for the older ones. There, and pictures for the little ones. See, we all know those pictures. You can have a try and see if you can see all those pictures. So there we go. So Mesmerise. He looks a little bit funny now, but it's all good to help him see, and he was very well behaved. And he's got a sticker there for being good.
Inside his eyes now.
Ah, okay.
Check to see if there's a brain in there. I'm only joking.
Let's see. So Zach has to get quite close to have a look right inside our eyes to make sure they're nice and healthy. And I've mentioned this before when I've been in school about the special light so that you can see the back of the eye and make sure that it's all healthy. And this is what he's doing now. It's a good look. There we go. Is he all healthy, Zach?
Nice and healthy. Nice
and healthy. You passed, Mesmerise. Well done. And thank you very much, Zach.
You're welcome.
Lovely to see you. See you soon. So now we've come outside and we have our lovely helper Freya here. Are you saying hello, Freya? Hi. Who's going to help show us some activities that you might want to try at school or at home.
So it's full, we're playing a beanbag game and you've got to try and get 4 bean bags in every single thing.
Yes, and as you can see, we've just used things that we have at home to do this, so you can just grab anything that you have. So Freya's going to stand behind there.
This
That's
whole thing.
yeah, and you're going to show us how it's done. So this is a hand-eye coordination game, and I'm going to come over here so I can see you and the target. There we go.
So I'm going to start with the hoop.
The easiest one.
Yep.
Ah! Oh, need bigger throws. Yeah. Oh, it came out. Yes!
One.
You did it.
I got one.
Good girl.
But I've got to try again until I get all of them.
Well, for now, do you want to move down to the next one and see whether you can do this one? Go.
Now.
Ooh. Ugh. Oh, yes!
One again. So my score's 2. Now we're going to move on to the harder one. Which
Yeah.
is a frisbee. Now I'm never going to do this.
You never know. Oh, close.
Would you?
Yes! Oh, too far on this one.
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 Got 3. I keep on getting 1.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to have to keep on trying on every one at the end.
You gonna try this
4
tricky
in that,
one?
4 in that, 4 in that, and I bet 4 in that. I bet 1 in that. If I get 1 in this, I'll be surprised.
Oh! Let's quickly pop it back there.
Now.
Oh. Yes!
It's in! Now I'm going to have to go back to the start, but I'm not trying this one again. And try and get all of these 4 bean bags into the hoop, into the
Ball.
ball, and into the frisbee.
Good girl. Okay, we'll leave you to it. We'll leave you to practice.
Hello everybody, I'm back and we're gonna do another beanbag game. My eyes are absolutely crazy because I'm wearing a blindfold and we're gonna try, my mum's gonna try and direct me through all of these zigzag and to that hoop over there. I've got to try and get this red beanbag over into that hoop. And I'm wearing a blindfold so I can't see, but I actually can out the bottom. So I'm closing my eyes.
So you're gonna close your eyes. Good girl.
Alright.
Make sure you don't cheat then. So with this, we've
A red
used.
beanbag, and I'm gonna try and get into the hoop.
Okay, so with this again, you can use anything as a blindfold. We've used something from a little game that we've got, but Freya's saying that she can see a little bit on the ground, so she's going to close her eyes. And my job is to get her to the hoop safely with my directions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Right, let's see. Turn left.
So it must be this way.
Good girl. Go forward 2 steps. Don't worry, I won't let you bump. See, it's not nice being able to not being able to see, should I say. Okay, and turn to your right. 1 turn, that's it. And go forward. There. And turn to your right. Go forward 3 steps. Go forward another 2 steps. Turn a little bit to your left.
I know I'm getting close to you.
Okay. Turn a little bit to your right. You've gone too much. That's fine. Okay. Turn a little bit to your right. That's stop. And now you need to throw the beanbag very lightly because it's not got to go far. You're next to the hoop.
Really?
Yes.
Right next to it. Like
Yeah.
here or here? Or
In
here?
front of you.
Okay.
So you're going to
1,
throw.
2.
Just drop. Yeah. Okay. I placed you so you were right next to the hoop. And there you go. Directions: zigzag through the obstacles to reach the hoop by using directions. Are you going to say bye, Freya?
Bye.
Thank you for your help. Thank you all for joining us on this National Eye Health Week. I hope you enjoyed a little tour around our designs and a sneak peek at an eye test and what it's like to have an eye test. Please remember, if you do come and visit us, that your eye test and glasses, should you need them, are all free for little ones. And if mums and dads would like to come with you, they can join our family club and have a free eye test as well. So let them know. So we look forward to seeing you if you come and visit us, and hopefully next year I will be there again in person. Thank you very much. See you soon.